Bachelor D Cruz from Moira, Goa. I have secured all India rank 69 in the CRLP WD category in JEE Advanced 2026. So first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Without my parents, without my God, without my teachers and my friends and family, this journey would not have been possible. It was quite tough. So I want to say that I have completed my SSC Standard 10 from Holy Cross High School, Bastora, with 82.8% in class 10. And after that, after class 10, I was little worried that what will I do, how will I, means I always wanted to do engineering from the start, but I did not know which coaching institute to join, because all the coaching institutes that are available in MAPSA were actually not accessible. So then later on, I got admission in St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School in MAPSA. I'm blessed to have that school. Then to my surprise, I came to know that Quest Educare was offering integrated classes in there. So then I met Sir, I still remember the day when I met Sir Deepak for the first time, founder of Quest Educare, who said that I have a very high chance and high potential to crack IIT JEE. And thus I am today here before you all. So with Quest Educare's constant support, moral, guidance from Sir Deepak, Dipshika ma'am and from Ishank sir also, they always help me with their regular doubt solving. Because of them, I could secure this rank. And then also, I would also like to thank my parents. From day one, they stood with me, they helped me, they supported me from day one. Even when rain or shine, my father was the one who picked me up and dropped me to school. Even in the heavy rains, we used to get wet, but he used to pick up the heavy wheelchair of weight 30 kilos. He used to pick it up each and every day. I would like to express my thanks to him also. I would even like to express my thanks to Mama, who helped me to study, who helped me in my morals, who always guided me, and they never pressurized me. They instead always motivated me, that they said that I can do it. They never said you have to do it. They said you have the potential and you can do it. They upholded me in prayer day and night. They used to pray for me. I would like to thank my parents. Then I would also like to thank my friends who guided me, who supported me even in college, in St. Xavier's as well, in Quest Educare classes also. They were always besides me and strengthened me. And then later on, of course, I had faced many difficulties and challenges in my life from my childhood with the negativity of people. There were various people who said that what you will do in life, even if you secure a seat in engineering, even in an IIT, what you will do in life, that you have no scope. They always said, and they always, used to feel empathy or pity on me, that so sad, this boy does not have legs. Sometimes even I got bullied, but I never let that negativity affect me. From strangers I got that bullied, so I always said, strangers they are strangers. If I have such teachers, parents, and my God, who gave me this positive life and a life who God has blessed me with, I always say that they are strangers, their negativity does not matter to me. And then if I have my God who created me, His hand is upon me, so I have complete trust on Him that He will take care of me. So being this attitude and positive, I always used to move forward, and this is all what that pushed me forward in life. Later on, I would even encourage each and every student who have not secured or who are unable to secure, even though after giving their best, who are unable to secure their seats or a seat in the premier institutes such as IITs, NITs, or even MBBS, GMC, or any college, government college, to not to worry and not to take stress. Because life gives us opportunities, various opportunities. Our responsibility is to give our best, to recognize those opportunities, and to make the best output out of it. And I would also like to encourage the media and to, it's a humble request for the media to make people aware about the government policies, to the parents and children who have the same situation like me, who are differently able, whether be it in mind or in physically differently able. And I would also like people to stop abortion and stop committing suicide, because life is always filled with positive things. It is our job and our perspective how we look at it. And I would also like for the students who are my juniors or any other people who are still preparing for various examinations to focus on their board exams also, because of the 75% criteria in JEE Advanced, because boards also are important. No matter how good rank, but you need to focus on your boards also. And one thing main aim in life is that never give up in life. Make your aim should be make your parents, teachers and your God proud who created you. This is my main aim.
I'm Johnny D Cruz, father of Joshua. God has blessed me with this son, and I would like to say that he's been hardworking. Every day he would study on a daily basis, revise, and prepare himself for JEE exams as well as 12th board. And he did not let he did not let himself stay at home, but he made it a point to go to the school on a day-to-day basis. And it's the result of his hard work that has come to.
Hi, I am Deepak Kudoria, founder and director of Quest Educare. Today we feel very proud to celebrate the success of Joshua D Cruz, who have secured All India rank 69 in his category, and he's joining IIT Gandhinagar in CSE branch. So I remember the first day when I met Joshua. That same day I told you have the brightest chance to get into IIT, and he has proved all of us right. And when I look back last 2 years, I see the never to give up attitude, never to quit attitude of Joshua, which will inspire students here in Goa, and wherever he will join, he will be inspiring all the kids around him. And I wish him all the best in whatever he does in life. And at Quest Educare, every year we bring so many results, but we never felt celebrating like today, because this one is special for all of us, because we believe every child is special, and we always work to bring best out of the students. And that is the core philosophy that we have been following from the last couple of years, and we would love to follow, because students like these inspire us that just work with the students and success will follow to us also and to our students also in the future to come. So we wish all the students who have secured good ranks in JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, and we wish all the best for the future.
So I have secured a seat in IIT Gandhinagar in Computer Science and Engineering branch. Through that I inspire to create various AI robots and such robots that can through accessible through your mobile, so people can, even if they detach it and keep it far, it can detect through the mobile location and come to you. Such technologies have not been detected till now, or not even made, and it should be linked to the neurons, mind and nerves, that without commanding it just with your thinking directly, it should move, and it should help in gripping and making daily tasks easier. And affordable is my main thing, that it should be affordable to each and every family member who is differently able. And such technologies are available in current time, but they are extremely expensive. They are very difficult to afford, or even if they are available, it's very difficult to use, because they are basically like statues who move at a very slow pace. Such things I want to make it easier, affordable, and with that you can think directly and it should happen. You don't have to give it command separately. Just with your thinking, it should directly happen through AI. So my parents have bought me a motorized scooter that is the company of the scooter is Neo Motion. It was created and established in IIT Madras, which also became a main inspiration for me to join IIT. So that I can go in various villages. I move around through the whole village of Moira, Alpana, Nasnola, and I move around without any tension free. I can control it with my left arm, and also I am an animal lover. I have various pets at home, 4 birds, 1 is upcoming, and 2 dogs, and even a fish. And mainly in my sports, I used to play football in the garden at home only. Officially in no club, nothing, but at home in the garden only. And I play guitar, 6 musical different instruments, be it the keyboard, drums, electric guitar, bass guitar, the djembe, mouth organ also, I have played this instrument, and for some weddings also I play the bass guitar as a part of a band.